Okay, we have the integral of dx over the square root of x to the 11/8 plus x to the 3/4. And we're definitely going to want to factor something out because we don't really like having two x terms in the radical. Maybe a little giveaway in this problem is that this one has an 8 in the denominator of this and this has a 4. So if we factored out the 3/4, when we take the square root, we're going to end up with an 8 on this term as well. So let's try that. I'm going to factor out an x to the 3/4, but I'm going to write it as x to the 6/8 just to make it a little clearer and easier. So x to the 6/8 times x to the 5/8 is going to give us our 11/8 here. And then this is just going to be 1 because x to the 6/8 is 3/4, so we'll just have a 1 right there. Then the square root of this is actually going to be 3/8. So we're going to be bringing out the 3/8. So let's rewrite that. Okay, now that we factored out, now we have an x to the 3/8 that we've pulled out of the radical. We'll just bring this into the numerator and rewrite this again. Now we're set up for a u substitution. I think this is just going to be our u. It doesn't look like a case where we're going to have a squared term. It doesn't look like a trig substitution. It looks like just a straight, this whole thing as our u. So let's try that. We'll have u equals x to the 5/8 plus 1. Let's take our derivative du. That's going to be 5/8 x. And we take this, it's going to be minus 3/8. Then we notice we got a minus 3/8 power here and a minus 3/8 power here. Let's take our 5/8 and put it in the numerator just to make this match exactly. But then I'll write an 8/5 in front so that we're not changing it, we're just multiplying by 1. Then we'll make our u substitution. We're going to have 8/5 du, because this whole thing is du, over the square root of just u. But we can rewrite that as, write this as u to the minus 1/2 just so that we can use the power rule. Then we're going to have 8/5. Integrating this, we're going to have u to the 1/2, but we're going to have a 2 out front. So then let's back substitute this here, and then we'll just simplify this. 2 times 8/5 is going to be 16/5. And then make our substitution. We're going to write this half power as a square root, and then we're going to have this u, which is x to the 5/8 plus 1 plus c, and that's going to be it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.